Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Customize Cutout. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The custom cutout feature allows you to remove the background of an object or create transparent backgrounds for specific elements such as people or objects in your video or image. This can be done using the cutout tool, which automatically detects the subject and creates a clean cutout. So, once you launch the CapCut on your PC, I want you to click the create a new project if you want to begin from scratch and start working. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it to begin your work. Now, once you open the project that you're working, all right, you want to make sure that all the immediate medias have been imported successfully, and then you can begin your work by clicking on this. And then the first thing that we need to do is to click the photo right here. You see, if you do that and go to the remove background under video, there are like 4 tabs wherein you can select and then click the remove BG or background. If you click the auto removal, what will happen is it would automatically remove the background in an instant, which is what we want to happen, because what we need to is to customize a cutout for our video or other elements such as a photo or a clips. So instead, what we're going to do is click this element right here, which is going to be the video, and instead of the auto removal, we're going to choose the custom removal, which gives us the cutout tool. The cutout tool is this section right here that says eraser. You can increase the brush size right here. See that? Depending on your clips, obviously. And select the background or the color that you want to cut out. If you do that, what will happen is it's processing, right? Takes a little while, but once it's done, leaving only the background here or the subject, the background has been removed, but it's custom removal. And of course, you can also use it to different effects. For example, we're going to add in a green screen here. A blank green screen, for example, this. We're going to add it to our timeline. And then click this and go to the custom removal. Click the eraser and then click on apply to see what we got. You see that? The image has been kind of like masked when the customized cutout was applied. And from there, you can drag this to the custom cutout. You see this? You see, this is going to be the one that has been removed. And we can add the elements here. For example, I'm going to be going to the media. I'm going to delete it instead. I'm going to drag this all the way here. All right. And after that, once you're happy, just click on it to make sure that we have created a cohesive video. Click the export button on the top right corner to send it to your client for feedback, or maybe save a copy of it in a different file format. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.